Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize dbt Cloud to deploy models in Snowflake. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Log in to your dbt Cloud account. Navigate to the account settings in the dashboard. Select the Integrations tab from the menu. Click on the Add Integration button. Choose Snowflake from the list of available integrations. You will be prompted to enter your Snowflake account details. Input your Snowflake account name. Provide your Snowflake username. Enter your Snowflake password. Fill in the required Snowflake role that dbt will assume. Specify your Snowflake warehouse. Indicate the Snowflake database you want to connect with. Select the schema within the database where your dbt models will be deployed. Review all the entered details for accuracy. Click the Test Connection button to ensure that dbt Cloud can connect to Snowflake. If the connection is successful, you will see a confirmation message. If the connection fails, double-check your credentials and settings. Once the connection is confirmed, click Save to finalize the integration. Go to the Projects tab in your dbt Cloud account. Select the project you want to configure for Snowflake deployment. Navigate to the environment settings within the project. Choose the environment where your models will be deployed. Under Target, select the Snowflake integration you just set up. Define any necessary environment variables specific to your Snowflake connection. Save your changes to the environment settings. You're now ready to start developing models in dbt Cloud. Build or upload your dbt models in the project. When ready, click on the Run button to deploy your models to Snowflake. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.